Activated carbon is an inert microporous material of organic origin and is characterized by its large internal surface area and high porosity qualities. Unlike more conventional forms of filtration, activated carbon uses adsorption as a means of particulate separation, and it's within its millions of pores that this process takes place. Adsorption is the physical binding of particles, dissolved or suspended in liquids, to the surface of a solid porous material and occurs as a result of van der Waals forces. Molecules attract due to the shape, charge and polarity of their atoms, resulting in a molecular film buildup on the adsorbent surface. In the case of activated carbon, atoms in the carbon pores attract the contaminant molecules in the process liquid. Activated carbon is a particularly effective adsorbent due to its large inner surface area. Typically, the inner surface of 1 gram equates to an area of over 2,000 square meters of active material. Additionally, pore size plays an important role in the adsorption efficiency of activated carbon. Micro, meso and macro-sized pores capture different size molecules, and the distribution ratio of these determine how effective the activated carbon will be for the specific filtration requirement. For more information on Pall's range of AKS FB activated carbon filter products, please contact your local Pall representative or visit the Pall website.